Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back. Thank you for joining us. I'm Steve in Michigan,
And I'm Scott.
and together we are Backyard Musing Science and Technology Channel.
Yep, and we're talking about a health topic tonight. We talked about this particular topic many times because we understand the severity of this disease, and we're hoping that they're gonna find a cure for it very soon. So here we go.
Scientists have identified damaged brain cleanup cells called tanycytes as a possible reason toxic tau builds up in Alzheimer's disease. They build up with the protein tau in the brain is a defining feature of Alzheimer's disease. In a study published March 5th, 2026 in the Cell Press journal Cell Press Blue, scientists describe a newly identified biological process that may help explain how tau accumulates. The research involved animal and cellular experiments along with analysis of human patient tissue. Results point to an important role for tanycytes, specialized brain cells that help coordinate communication between the brain and the rest of the body. Would you like to know more?
This work was supported by the European Research Council, National Institutes of Health, the Foundation pour la Recherche Médicale, and the Foundation NRJ for Neuroscience Institut des Français. Quote, our findings reveal a previously underappreciated disease-relevant role for the tanycytes in neurodegeneration. That is according to corresponding author Vincent Prevost from INSERM, which has got to be some kind of an acronym, right?
Yeah.
In France. Focusing on tanycyte health could be a way to improve tau clearance and limit disease progression. Bring it on.
Tanycytes are a type of non-neuronal brain cell mainly located in the third ventricle, a cavity within the brain. Earlier studies have shown that these cells help move metabolic signals between the bloodstream and the cerebrospinal fluid. This fluid surrounds the brain and spinal cord and serves as an important communication channel that helps keep the body's internal systems balanced. That's fascinating.
Yeah. The researchers wanted to understand how tanycytes help remove harmful substances such as tau to maintain brain health. Their experiments reveal that these cells transport toxic molecules from the CSF into the bloodstream, where the substances can be cleared from the body. When this transport process breaks down, tau can accumulate in the brain. Okay.
Quote, surprisingly, we were able to show in rodent and cellular models not only that tanycytes were indeed involved in clearing tau, but also that tanycytes in the brains of human Alzheimer's patients were fragmented and had changes in gene expression related to this shuttle function, Prevost says.
The researchers say their findings point to the possibility of developing therapies that protect brain balance and improve the removal of harmful proteins. However, they also note that targeting tanycytes as part of Alzheimer's treatment presents several obstacles. Wow. Why is
One
that?
challenge is the shortage of reliable animal models that accurately represent Alzheimer's disease. Another is the need for larger patient groups and long-term studies to determine cause and effect and to clarify how problems with tanycytes may lead to tau accumulation. Quote, our findings provide the first evidence for structural and functional alterations in these little-known but key brain cells in human disease, says Prevost.
Okay.
Like you always say, Scott,
this is my standing all the time. Exactly. There are people out there that are suffering from this disease.
Try it on me.
Right now, there's no way back. Give it a shot, right? If I had a loved one, I would say, as long as they're not going to be hurt or it's not going to advance the stages, and even so, even if it did advance it, give it a shot. Oh my gosh. Give it a shot. Anyway.
Scott, you should donate your brain to science.
I know we love the rodents, we love the mice that do these kind of studies, but there are plenty of people out there right now that are suffering from this disease. And they would, if they could make the decision rationally, which I know they can't, they would probably jump at it. So anyway, great story. At least they're working on it.
Yep. Thanks for joining us. We'll catch you in the morning.
See you tomorrow. Take care. Thanks.